welcome to our YouTube channel, Rural Solutions. Reading and knowing about some of the terms related to insurance. So decided to share with my Rural Solutions family as here on this channel we tell you the basic things in simple English language. We really hope and wish that it's helpful and useful. Now let's get started. What are the different types of car insurance and what do they cover? This question always comes into our mind, so we decided to make a small short video for you all. There are several different types of car insurance that you can take out depending on the type of insurance covered you need. Compulsory third-party insurance (CTP) protects you financially if you injure or kill someone in an accident and is mandatory for Australian drivers in every state and territory. Third-party property damage insurance covers you if your car causes damage to someone's property like car or home. Third-party fire and theft covers your car if it's damaged by fire or stolen and includes cover provided by third property damage insurance. Comprehensive car insurance, the most extensive form of cover, provides a degree of cover for the damage to your own car in an accident, as well as the types of cover provided by the third-party property and the fire and theft insurance. Choosing the type of insurance that's right for you could depend in the part on what you can comfortably afford, so it may be worth considering the type of cover that suits your needs and your budget. For example, would you prefer the high level of cover generally offered by comprehensive policy, or would a lower level of cover be enough? Give your options and answer in the comment box and we will reply all of them. I hope this video is helpful and interested people, please spread the educational knowledgeable videos on our channel. We are really helpful, grateful and thankful for the same. In the end, we would like to say that please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Rubal Solutions. Love, love. Have a nice day.